Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidisha. Hope you all are doing well. As the present situation is going worse day by day, please stay at home, and if you are going outside, please wear a mask and please stay safe. Today my review is about Wow Aloe Vera Gel. See, the bottle looks like an aloe vera leaf. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to it, and if you have already subscribed to it, then please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So coming to the review, this is my first purchase from this company. Most of you must have seen this product in online shopping sites, otherwise in the market also. See how the product looks like. This is the consistency of the product. It absorbs in your skin very well. This aloe vera gel is very much soothing to your skin. If you have oily skin, then this is perfect for your skin. It prevents any kind of sunburns from your face and your body. And if you have dry skin, then you can use it as a face serum and apply any moisturizer after it. It also prevents your skin from acne or rashes. And you can use aloe vera gel in your hair also. Use 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix it very well. Apply it on your hair and keep it for 2 to 3 hours. Then after that, you can wash your hair. You can use aloe vera gel as an under eye gel also. Just use 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 vitamin E capsule in it. Mix it very well. Keep it in a glass jar container. You can use this under eye gel every night before going to sleep. The MRP of the product is Rs 299. You can buy this product on discounted rate from any online shopping sites. You know this very well. And the shelf life of the product is 2 years from the date of packaging. I have already shown you that I use it as aftershave gel on my skin. Aloe vera gel has antibacterial properties, so it reduces acne and rashes from your skin. It has anti-aging properties, so it reduces fine lines and wrinkles from your face. Let's see what is written on the container of the product. Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Gel, multi-purpose beauty gel for skin and hair. It has 99% pure aloe vera gel. The best thing about the product is it has no parabens, silicones, mineral oils, color, synthetic fragrances. It suits all skin and hair types. The net volume of the product is 130 ml and it has extra 20 ml also. This is the area where you can see the manufacturing date of the product and the shelf life of the product and the price of the product also. Let's see how we can use this product. This is a healthy moisturizer. Apply on skin for moisturization. The product can be used as natural scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon gel with 1 teaspoon sugar to make a healthy body and face scrub. This product is a sunburn soother. Apply on sunburned skin for soothing effect. This is an anti-aging protector. Massage on face, hands and neck. Let it dry. Leave overnight for anti-aging benefits. This is a heel saver. Massage on chapped heels. Leave overnight for soothing benefit. This is a rough skin smoother. Apply on rough elbows and knees for smoother skin. This is a hair and scalp nourisher. Massage literally on the scalp. Leave overnight. Shampoo in the morning. Hair softener. Massage on scalp and hair. Leave overnight. Shampoo in the morning. This product can be also used as an aftershave. Apply on clean shaven skin as an aftershave gel. The key ingredients of the products are aloe vera juice, xanthan gum, plant-based natural thickener, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate and citric acid for topical application only, not to be taken internally. Friends, you have seen that how much this product is good for your skin and hair. You can definitely go for this product. Buy it and let me know how do you like it. That's it for today guys. Bye. Take care. Love and peace from me to you.